So guys, mscoree.dll is not found in Windows 11 or 10 both also. So how to recover and how to fix? So guys, you firstly check any update has pending or not. Click to setting, go to Windows and check update. So you're up to date, so it's okay. So it's pending, so please up to date. And then what we do, uh, then guys, you open Chrome browser, repair.net firmware tool, download. So this link I will give in description, so you copy paste and directly down repair.net tool, and you now you search only, it's very mentioned. So click to yes and I accept, next. No log analyze. So repair it, automatically repair the software if you want to install. Then guys, you click start button and type cmd, right click to run as administrator, yes. So guys, type this command and then enter. Download. So when you type this command is showing automatically, so you just click to download. Now searching and downloading the firmware automatically. So this command is very important. So guys, when this is finished, and then restart your system and then check. Okay, bye bye, take care. Have an issue, please comment me, I will support you quickly.